So hi and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing unboxing. And you know what month it is when you get the green box in the mail. This is from Stitch Fix and it's my monthly, bi-monthly, every 2 months subscription. So let's open her up. So if you haven't seen my other unboxings before, then I will link some around here so that you can actually see those as well. I have a couple different subscriptions, so check them out. Stitch Fix is just one of them. So of course when you open the box, you get your return envelope as always. Ooh. And this is actually the first time I got a pair of shoes, it looks like. All right, so you get your little envelope and it says, oh, hello. So, oh, hello. It shows me some different items that different ways that you can wear some of the items that you actually got in your box. So, these are outfit suggestions. So also you can refer a friend and get $25 off of your box as well as mine. So please use my code below if you'd like to sign up. And that is that. And then you get your invoice. Now, it looks like I received 5 different things. 5 different things. And we'll go over the totals again when I'm finished. So, okay. This is actually a pair of shoes. They're pink. And actually they're pretty cool. They're Mia's, which I do like that brand as well. So that is a flat that I could possibly wear to work. And then the rest of your box is nicely wrapped in paper. And let's see what we got. We have a pink shirt to actually wear with that. That's actually nice for under a blazer as well. So that I could probably keep for sure. This one is another shirt, another dress shirt. I'm not so much into the geometrical patterns, but again, sleeveless shirt that you could wear under, definitely under a blazer as well, again. All right, this one is an actual blazer, and that you could wear to work. It looks like it is lined, and it doesn't have any pockets or anything, but it is sort of have 3/4 sleeves like what this one is. Different color, of course, but you can always use a good black blazer. And then this looks like it is a pair of pants. Oh, very cute. Okay, so they're kind of rose print. Not so much on the rose print, but only because I normally wear like blacks, as you can well tell, to work. But let's try it out. Erica Taylor. Okay. All right. So there is that. So, and I will try these on in a second. So this is my 4th box of Stitch Fix. I have 5 items. So I got the Mia flats, which were pink, the Erica Taylor straight leg pant, the Kearney Martha notched collar blazer, Calvin Klein detailed knit top, which was the geometric one, and then the crochet detail knit top. Oh, and that was the pink one. Yeah, the fuchsia. Okay, so all total for that was $352.50. If I buy all 5 of them, you do get a 25% discount, which is $88.13, and the order subtotal then is $264.37, and then you get your credit of your $20 for your stylist fee, and then your order becomes $244.37. So, all right, let's get this party started and let's try some on. Okay, so since I'm not real fond of the pants, I could be totally wrong once I put them on, but I'm just gonna go with black leggings that I had on previously and do the tops. So the blazer is really, really soft. I like the detailed cuffed hem here around the arm. It's got like little polka dots on the inside lining, which also matches this lining as well. This is the Calvin Klein top, which is okay. I'm not so much into geometric, but I can go with that. So I really do like the blazer. The blazer is actually $88, and the Calvin Klein detail knit top is $69.50. And it does have some detail here. It's silver, it says Calvin Klein on it. Not so bad. Not so bad. And there's this is the knit shirt. It's kind of cool the way that the sleeves are. It's kind of got like this ribbon effect here on the edge. This one is $58. I do like it. It's very soft. It's comfortable. And again, with the notched blazer. Let's try that back on again. And there you have that. And these shirts do come down over top of all of this, making it slimming, and it's got some ruching right here too, so it's not like flat to your chest, but it does cover all this, as well as when your blazer is on top, the shirt isn't showing underneath on the hemline. So there is that one. Okay, so here are the pants with the shirt. I got the same shirt on. I really do like this shirt. It's kind of different. It's kind of silky up here and very soft. The pants are actually a pull-on. They do actually fit. I'll have to look a little bit closer in the mirror at them, but they feel pretty good as far as fitting. I don't know what they look like because I can't see it on a mirror right here, but they do feel very professional and very soft, kind of silky, not really cottony, so more for dress up. I don't know what they're made out of. And I did put the shoe on. The shoe actually is too big. I don't know what size shoe I had, but these pants are $88. Again, I don't know that I paid $88 for them. If they had the right fit, then maybe. And the shoes are actually $49. cute, flat. They're just way too big for me, way too big. And I'll put insert picture here for what they look like. So if I kept everything, it would be $244.37. I'm thinking, one, the shoes aren't gonna fit, so I do need to return those. So there goes my 25% discount if you return something. The blazer and the other shirt, the blazer and the two shirts, okay, not bad. But would I spend $244.37 on all 5 items? The kicker is actually, would I spend, without keeping the shoes, would I spend $264.37? That's without the $88. Oh, I'm sorry, the shoes were only $50, so $49. Okay, so would I actually spend $300? Almost $300 on all this if I didn't keep the shoes. I don't think I probably would, but again, after looking at this tape, then I will link everything below that I actually ended up keeping. So you let me know your thoughts and what you think I should keep, and I will link everything below on what I did keep. So that is my unboxing for Stitch Fix, and I hope you enjoyed it. Keep on watching some of my other videos on these other topics, as well as makeup and try-ons, and I will see you on the next one. I appreciate y'all, and you know it. God bless.